Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a group on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click here. Once you're here you will find this icon here, click on it, and now you will find new group, click on it, and now just choose any account, select any account and click here, and just add a name of your group, and that's it. It will be created, and that's how to create a group, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.